We're hitting the Dreamcycle Museum to uncover some vintage gold before catching an endless wave of bikes on the road to Golden, BC. It's the largest group ride I've ever seen. Stick around and help me count exactly how many riders were in this massive pack. It was another beautiful, hot day. We made our way to Dreamcycle Motorcycle Museum. This was my second or third time visiting the museum, and honestly, it's always a win.
Was that Evel Knievel?
You can easily lose a few hours in here. There's always something new hitting the floor, but this time we got lucky. The owner, Mark Lane, gave us a bit of a private tour. Just look at these machines. Can you name some of these bikes? The history in this room is incredible. There's just so much to take in, so do yourself a favor and don't rush it.
On the road again. This gang is hitting the road again. 14 wheels rolling down the road again.
Day 5 was basically a travel day as we left Vernon and made our way to Golden, BC. It was a short drive. You'll see in a second that we came across this group of motorcyclists. It's the biggest group that I ever rode by, and see if you can count how many bikes there are.
Itabamnak. Woohoo! Oh. I was recording, so we'll be able to count.
So how many bikes did you count? Let me know in the comments down below. We continued making our way towards Golden, riding Highway 1, and some sections were just really beautiful.
Looks pretty nice. Three Valley Gap. That's an odd name.
After taking a break at Rogers Pass, which is a beautiful spot, we made our way to Golden, where we'll be spending the night.
We got chalet 8 and 10.
These cabins at Brookside Motel were convenient, but the location was pretty bad with train tracks right behind.
Right next to it.
Kept us up all night. In the next video, we ride the beautiful Yoho Valley Road with fun switchbacks up to Takakaw Falls.
Boy.
Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Smash that like button and let me know what you think in the comments down below. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.